How to make a flyer on Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a flyer fast and easy with Canva app. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and it will take you to this home page. Now you should click here, click on this icon, and then choose the flyer option here down below. Click on flyer and wait a few seconds until you see this page. Now choose any flyer right here to edit it. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. It's about the gym and the fitness. Now click on it and edit it as you want. Just click on the text and let's write the name of our channel, financial wall, for example, like this. And as you can see, it's very easy and fast to edit. It will take you only 5 minutes to edit it and save it on your phone just from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.